Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT again, and we are going to discuss its capability to produce a roadmap to learn machine learning or deep learning or programming in general. In this video, we are going to see if ChatGPT is powerful enough to produce a roadmap to learn machine learning or deep learning from scratch. I will ask him also to provide us with links to courses and YouTube videos in which we can learn machine learning and deep learning from scratch. So let's go together and see the powerful ChatGPT. Welcome back. So right now we are going to ask ChatGPT to make a roadmap for us to learn deep learning or machine learning from scratch, and this roadmap should include links to courses and also should be a weekly plan. So in each week we should learn a specific topic. Write a weekly plan to learn deep learning from scratch and include links to complete courses. We are waiting ChatGPT to produce its result. It's taking much time. It's not an easy prompt. Alright, so it started. Actually, it's very nice to start with 3 blue, 1 brown. I really like this one. And then Siraj Rival. Okay, this is a very famous YouTuber. Gradient descent by syntax, so very nice also. Very famous YouTuber. 2 minutes papers, very famous. Backpropagation, practice coding a simple neural network in Python. So he gives us a GitHub repo. So this is week 1. Week 2 we are going to learn CNNs, and then RNNs, and then GANs, okay? Practice code simple, okay? TensorFlows, it's facing a problem in Thursday, week 2. Practice a simple CNN in Python. So I will learn how to use CNNs after learning GANs. Practice coding a simple RNN using Python. Okay, week 3, complete a comprehensive course in deep learning such as deep learning specialization by Coursera. Alright, that's a very good one also. And the third week was from Monday to Wednesday. Okay, so from Monday to Wednesday, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we have 3 days to learn the deep learning specialization, which is 5 courses, and it will take you 3 months at least to finish it. This can be a good starting point to know what's the meaning of deep learning, not to learn deep learning from scratch. So it's some sort of a combination of links to some good videos or some famous videos, but it won't be a real roadmap to learn something or to learn deep learning. So the first link is working, and it's a channel 3 blue, 1 brown. It's a very famous channel. I love it to learn mathematical concepts. So let's try the second one. Okay, the second link is not working. So it's just a fake link, a generated fake link. The third link to learn gradient descent algorithms. Okay. Oh, but I love this channel also. A very famous one. I don't know, but it's maybe because these channels are very famous. Backpropagation. He said it's from 2 minutes paper channel. So backpropagation by 2 minutes paper, but it's 3 blue, 1 brown. Alright, so this is a mistake also. And on Friday we should practice coding a simple neural network from scratch. So let's see. Alright, the GitHub repo link is not working, so this is also a fake link. In week 2, convolution neural network CNN, watch this video tutorial by Synthetex. So Synthetex is a very famous YouTuber in the field of deep learning, machine learning. Siraj, so this is also a mistake. A recurrent neural network, watch this video by Siraj. So let's see Siraj. So this is a Siraj building a recurrent neural network in 5 minutes. I wouldn't suggest you to learn how to build a recurrent neural network in 5 minutes. It would take you at least 10 minutes to learn it. Just search for a more comprehensive source. So on Wednesday we should learn generative adversarial networks, GANs. So we'll learn GANs in 1 day from a YouTube video from 2 minutes paper channel. So let's see. The link is not working. Sorry. So till now we couldn't reach 2 minutes per channel. Thursday we should practice coding a simple CNN. So you will be, how can you apply GANs when you cannot code a simple CNN? So it's not reasonable at all. The arrangement of the courses or the arrangement of the topics is not reasonable at all. You should learn first how to code a simple CNN, then you go to build GANs, because GANs consists of CNNs. So how can you do the complex thing before the easier one? On Thursday we should practice coding a simple CNN using Keras or TensorFlow. Alright, the GitHub repo is not working. On Friday, practice coding a simple RNN using Keras or TensorFlow. Also, the link is not working. Week 3, Tuesday, the days are correct. Week 3, you should, from Monday to Wednesday, you should complete a comprehensive course on deep learning, such as deep learning specialization. Let's see the link. It should work. Okay. Deep learning specialization consists of 5 courses. So 5 courses. It took me 3 months of doing nothing except learning this to just get the basic understanding of deep learning. So I wouldn't also suggest that you take the complete specialization in 3 or 4 days. This is nonsense. And from Thursday to Friday, you should practice coding different deep learning models on various datasets using Keras or TensorFlow. I think that Chat GPT is biased against PyTorch. Which one still now? Again, we have a running link. We have a Reddit link here. It's very weird. What is this? Data Science Dojo datasets. So this is a repo for datasets. This repo has been moved to, let's see. Okay, datasets to uplift your skills. Different datasets. Okay, so it's a good one to practice, to make some projects. So if we are going to evaluate the way the courses are structured here, it won't make any sense to learn deep learning in just 3 weeks. And if you are going to start from scratch, you need at least to know the basics of linear algebra and calculus and statistics. So if you are looking for a roadmap to learn deep learning or machine learning from scratch, I would suggest you to subscribe to my channel and to wait for my next video, in which I will show you in details how can you start your career in machine learning and deep learning, even if you are not a STEM student. By this I would conclude my video, and I wouldn't suggest you to use ChatGPT to get sources to learn machine learning or deep learning. Titles are good just to start, but don't take this roadmap seriously at all. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.